Can't read that, but that says Willys Overland Motors, Inc., Toledo, Ohio, USA. Truck model T-2, chassis number 10292. Certified at net horsepower 60 at 4,000 RPM. Max gross vehicle weight with tires as follows: 5,300 pounds with 716 6-plies. 4,700 pounds at 650 16 6-plies. Warranty void if above weight is exceeded. Floorboards rusted out several places. Repairs needed on both steps. The odometer registers 8,800 miles. Mileage is unknown. Only things removed since delivery was the West Coast mirrors off the doors. There. There. .260 Ford V8. Handmade exhaust. Radiator cowl's been cut out. Original shifter linkage was used. To shift the automatic transmission. Handmade exhaust. Also on this side. And nearly all the glasses broke out of it. Cracked. Front and back plates are removed. All the brakes and everything off the spindles. Spindles were turned so the inner bearing would go farther, outer bearing go farther in on the spindle, and then the spindle was shortened. These are 1970 Monte Carlo disc brakes. Bracket that holds the bracket that holds the caliper itself was just welded to the spindle. Material was put in there to provide meat for threads for the dust cover itself. There are 2 of those bolts like that, one down there, that one, top one there. It's bolted through the caliper bracket. Fenders were removed to facilitate the engine change. And this part of the frame here was cut with a lower radiator hose. And other than a frame support, it is only support for the front cowl. Inner wheel bearing seals were measured Detroit ball bearing.